Welcome. In this video, we're going to do dynamic display dropdowns. So it's like this. When I select this particular option, I see another element, or in other options, it does not appear. So how do I do that? All right. So let's add select dropdown. All right. So it comes with some options already by default. And what we need to do now is we need to add an option to the state and make this controlled. So the way that we're going to do that, we're going to add a class. So we're going to add a state over here. Let's call the state variable option, and we're going to be nothing is going to be selected by default. All right. And what we're going to do now, we're going to show the option from the state. So the value of this needs to come from the state. So let's do that by adding a settings function. So the value is part of the settings. So what we're going to do now is we don't need to set the name or options. We just want to set the value. So we're going to say this dot state dot option. All right. So now we're getting the state from the value from state. So now we need to update the state on change. So that's going to make the full circle. It's going to make it controlled. Sorry. All right. So let's we need to add another event handler, change event handler. So this is going to be change. And the change event handler is going to be setting the state. So let's say this dot set state option. It's going to come from e.target.value. This is standard JavaScript events. All right. And the next thing we're going to do, we're going to add a dynamic display element. So let's add an image over here. It doesn't matter. We don't need to set the source for now. So we're going to add style handler display none based on state. So we're going to say styles. And in this one, we're going to say display. And if this dot state dot option is going to be option 1, we're going to say block. And otherwise, it's going to be none. All right, let's try it. And it works beautifully. That's about it. Thank you very much.